Today we're gonna talk about these scale insects, which are a pest. Usually they have their mouth parts here and suck on the branch or branches they attach to. When I squeeze them, they leave a red ink, and usually they cover branches like this fig tree. As you can see, it is covered. And if you don't have a lot, like this, we only have this branch only, all we need is to scrape them off with our fingers. You can use a cloth or gloves. Obviously, if you have a large tree which is covered, this method isn't viable. So what's the next viable choice? The best one is to use either neem oil or a mineral oil mixed with insecticides. As you can see, these scale insects have an outer hard shell, so a normal mineral oil won't penetrate and kill them. Usually they spread slowly, so this one I didn't notice it because of the leaves, which were because the tree didn't go dormant till now. But this is a small result, so all you need is to scrape them off or use a mild insecticide. If it's mixed with mineral oil, if it's compatible with it, it will be better. Okay, these are scale insects, and as I already said, they will put a protection around themselves on top of them, so it's like a limpet, a sea limpet, and a simple mineral oil won't penetrate them. Okay, thanks, hope you liked the video, and please subscribe.